Hey my chickadees, welcome back to the back 40. Okay, I have another busted page pocket. This one I did for Brandon's journal, for his surprise journal. It is a grungy spooky one for his, grungy spooky Halloweeny kind of journal. It is, this is Louisa Hansel's Halloween kit. It's a page that I cut the skeleton out of for her kit that she did for Halloween in August. But it's her Halloween kit, and that is this here. And I just cut it and put it on one of my painting pages. And then I did the napkin and painted it and did some waxing and did some distress mica sprays in Decay and Unravel. And this I did without the AI. I did some skeletal bony hands like he was coming out of there. And then I just cut this back. Then I did the pocket. So there's a pocket back here. I'm going to put it, I'm saying too much. I was thinking about putting it on this page because it kind of gave me the Beetlejuice vibe a little bit. But I'm not quite sure. So I have his moth. This is his favorite butterfly moth. It's the deadhead one. And I was going to put it on here, depending whether I put it on this one or just another page in his journal. I was going to put it either there or coming out, on one of the things, like it's coming, out, which I kind of like that. So that's kind of how I was going to do it, depending on where I put it on the page and which one I use. So I haven't glued that down. Let's see. I did again. That is it. There is a process video where I did it all. I'll speed that up and let you look through that. But it's pretty cute. If I have to say so myself, it's cute to be, an ugly, grungy, Halloweeny thing. It's cute. So I think you'll like it, and it's going to go with his journal perfectly. The other thing I was thinking about was, doing one of these just as a page, not a pocket or anything, just as a page. Oh God, doing this as a tag. Oh my gosh, wouldn't that be cute? Doing this as one of the tag with the little Tim Holt people. Oh my goodness. Oh, that'd be so cute. And a journal topper. Oh, if we could do a journal topper and do it all shabby chic with the gems and stuff. Oh, and the cute fabric and lace. Wouldn't that look so cute? We got to do this one of those. I might have to do that one next, I think. But this is it for tonight. I'm going to let you go. There's a process video to follow if you want to watch it. Thanks. Bye. Have a good one. Hey my chickadees, I was gonna make another busted page. This one's for Brandon's, surprise. And I thought I'd just record it and do like a little process video. So I'm gonna put me some glue down. Then I'm going to put this napkin down. And then we'll put two sides down. And I want it face up. And kind of pumpy, I might have to make me some more Nana's glue.